Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Daniel. How are you today?
Hi, Rachel. I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well, thanks. I just got my new smartphone and laptop last week, and I've been using them a lot. I thought it would be nice to talk about our experiences with these new devices. Do you use any new tech gadgets?
Yes, I do. I recently upgraded my smartphone and got a new tablet as well. I use them every day. I find they make my work and leisure time much easier. What did you like about your new devices?
My new smartphone is very fast and has a high-resolution camera. I love taking pictures of nature and my friends. It also has many useful apps that help me stay organized. My laptop is lightweight and it works very well for my schoolwork and for watching movies.
That sounds great. My new smartphone also has a good camera. I often use it to record short videos and to take pictures of places I visit. The tablet is very handy for reading ebooks and checking emails on the go.
Yes, technology makes our lives easier. I use a few apps every day. For example, I use a calendar app to schedule my day, a messaging app to chat with my friends, and a social media app to see news and photos.
I do that too. I like using social media apps to stay in touch with my family and friends. I also use a news app to check the latest events in our city. It is amazing how many things we can do with our phones.
I agree. I also use a fitness app that tracks my walking and jogging. It helps me keep track of my exercise. Do you use any health apps?
Yes, I do. I have an app that reminds me to drink water and to take breaks when I work. It shows me how many glasses of water I have drunk. I think it is a good reminder to stay healthy.
That is very useful. I sometimes forget to drink enough water when I am busy. My phone also has a sleep tracker, so I know if I am sleeping well at night.
That's great, Rachel. I try to follow a good sleep schedule because I feel more energetic when I sleep well. My phone even has a blue light filter that helps me relax in the evening.
Yes, blue light filters are very helpful. They make the screen less harsh on the eyes. I use mine every night when I read on my phone.
I also use my tablet for reading ebooks. I like to read on a larger screen because it is easier on my eyes than a small smartphone screen.
That makes sense. Sometimes I use my laptop to watch online courses or read articles. It is good for work and study because the screen is big and clear.
I agree. My laptop is very useful for schoolwork. I use it for writing assignments, making presentations, and even for online meetings with my classmates.
It is amazing how technology has changed the way we learn and work. I remember when I had an old laptop that was slow. Now, my new laptop is very fast and it saves me a lot of time.
Yes, speed and efficiency are important, My new phone is also very fast. Apps open quickly, and I can do many tasks without waiting. It makes my day much more productive.
Do you use any cloud storage services? I use one to save my photos and important documents. It is very helpful because I can access them from any device.
Yes, I use a cloud service too. I keep my schoolwork, notes, and even my favorite music there. It makes it easy to share files with my friends.
That is very smart. I often share my photos and notes with my classmates using cloud storage. It helps us work together on projects.
Speaking of projects, I recently started using a note-taking app for my school projects. It lets me create lists, add images, and even record voice notes. It is a very powerful tool for organizing my ideas.
I love note-taking apps. I use one to keep track of my daily tasks and to write down my thoughts. It helps me stay focused and organized.
Technology also makes it easier to learn new skills. I have been watching tutorial videos on YouTube to improve my photo editing skills. It is amazing how much you can learn online.
I do the same with cooking videos. I watched a video on how to make a healthy salad, and now I try different recipes at home. It is fun to learn new things.
I enjoy learning from online videos because they show you step by step what to do. I also use language learning apps to practice new words. It is like having a tutor in my pocket.
Language learning apps are very effective. I use one to practice Spanish. It gives me daily exercises and quizzes, which makes learning fun and interactive.
That is great, Rachel. I think technology has given us many opportunities to learn, work, and relax. It connects us with the world in many ways.
Yes, and it also makes everyday tasks easier. I can shop online, check the weather, and even pay bills using my phone. Everything is so convenient.
I agree. However, I also try to be careful about security. I always check my phone settings and update my apps regularly to keep my information safe.
That is very important, Daniel. I also use a password manager to keep my passwords secure. I think we must be careful with our personal data.
Absolutely. While technology has many benefits, we must also use it responsibly. I try not to spend too much time on social media, so I have a set limit on my screen time.
That is a good habit. I set limits on my apps too. It helps me avoid distractions and focus on my work or studies.
Do you think technology has changed the way we communicate?
Yes, I do. I use messaging apps to talk with my friends and family every day. It is much faster than writing emails or letters.
I feel the same. I love video calls because I can see my friends even when we are far apart. It makes the conversation feel more personal.
True. And sharing photos, videos, and updates online helps me stay connected with people around the world.
It is amazing how many tasks we can do with just one device. I sometimes wonder how we manage before smartphones and laptops.
I know, right? It is hard to imagine life without these gadgets. They have become essential tools for our daily lives.
I believe that as technology advances, our lives will become even more connected and efficient.
I agree. I am excited to see what new gadgets and apps will be released in the future. Maybe we will have even better tools for learning, working, and communicating.
I hope so. I also look forward to more smart devices that can help improve our lives.
Thank you for this wonderful conversation, Daniel. Talking about our new tech gadgets and how we use them every day makes me appreciate the advances in technology even more.
Thank you, Rachel. I enjoyed our chat as well. It is nice to share our experiences and learn from each other. I look forward to seeing what new devices you get in the future.
And I look forward to hearing more about your tech tips and favorite apps. Let's keep in touch and continue discussing our digital lives.
Definitely, Rachel. Have a great day and enjoy your new smartphone and laptop.
You too, Daniel. Take care and goodbye.
Goodbye, Rachel.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.